Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we have to categorize the modules of SAP. Basically, SAP has two modules, basically, which are functional modules and technical modules. If we talk about the functional modules, these are finance, financial supply chain, controlling, material management, ST, logistic execution, product planning, quality management, plant maintenance, human resource project system, also many other modules. These are the functional modules. And we talk about the technical modules because SAP has two modules, functional modules and technical modules. I have discussed about the functional modules, and if we talk about the technical modules, these have two: SAP ABAP and SAP Basis. SAP ABAP is a language, Advanced Business Application Programming Language. It is the default programming language for SAP application. We develop SAP application reports in Advanced Business Application Programming Language. And the second thing in SAP ABAP that we can also use Java to code in SAP, because the old version of SAP were using Java. And the next module is SAP Basis. SAP Basis is a set of programs and tools that can act as an interface with database, operating system, communication protocols, and other SAP modules like FI, HCM, and SD, etc. It means that SAP Basis module give a security response, give an username and password to the users. It's make an integration with the between the modules. It gives an access of the data with the other modules and give the users to access to the private information of the SAP. And this is also about the requirement analysis. If we talk about the SAP users, here I will discuss the R3 system of SAP. R3 system of SAP depends upon three layers. First is presentation layer, second is application layer, and the third is database layer. Presentation layers is the front end of the SAP software system, which are basically related to the end users. End users are the first users of SAP that are basically using the SAP and don't know what is SAP and how it is designed. So first is end users, and the first layer is presentation layer. Second is application layer, and it depends upon the data integrity and data flow. Functional consultants are basically related to the application layer. They know about the technical procedure of the data flow, and they are responsible of the running of SAP system. And the third is technical consultant, that is related to the database management system of SAP, and it is related to the database layer. They are basically the developers. You can also say that they are also working on the application layer, and these are also the end users because using the SAP from the front end. So technical consultants are related to the database management system, SAP Basis and SAP ABAP, or the developers also.